Hello everyone, and welcome back to Luca English Channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. My name is Luca.
Hello, Luca, and hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I am very happy to be here today.
We are very happy to have you with us. How are you feeling today, Sarah?
I am feeling good, thank you for asking. I feel a little excited and a little nervous.
Excited and nervous? That sounds interesting. Why do you feel like that?
Because today's topic is about meeting new people, and many people feel excited and nervous when they meet someone for the first time.
That is very true. Meeting new people can be fun, but it can also feel scary.
Yes, many English learners tell us that they feel nervous when they speak to new people in English.
And that is completely normal. So today, we want to help you feel more confident.
Exactly. Today's topic is English conversation practice, meeting new people for the first time.
Before we start, we want to say something to our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our conversations, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Luca English Channel.
You can also share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Learning English with a friend is always more fun.
Okay, Luca, let's begin.
Luca, do you remember the last time you met a new person?
Yes, I do. I met a new neighbor last week.
Oh, that's nice. Where did you meet?
I met her in front of my apartment building.
What happened?
I was taking out the trash and she was coming inside with her bags.
That sounds like a normal situation.
Yes, but I still felt nervous
Why did you feel nervous?
because I didn't know what to say first.
Ah, yes. The first sentence is often the hardest.
Exactly. I wanted to be friendly, but my mind was empty.
That happens to many people. So what did you say?
I smiled and said hello.
That's perfect. A smile and hello are always a good start.
She smiled back and said hi.
Great. What did you say next?
I said, I'm Sarah, I live upstairs.
That's a very natural sentence.
Yes, and then she said, nice to meet you, Sarah, I'm Anna.
Nice. So you introduced yourself.
Yes, and after that, the conversation felt easier.
That's an important point. The first sentence is hard, but it gets easier.
Luca, do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do, but I didn't always feel this way.
Really?
Yes. When I was younger, I felt very shy.
What made you feel shy?
I was afraid of saying the wrong thing.
I think many people feel the same way.
Yes, I was worried people would judge me.
That's very common.
But over time, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Most people are friendly, and they also feel nervous.
That's true. Sometimes we forget that the other person feels the same.
So let's talk about how to meet new people.
Good idea.
First, let's talk about greetings.
Okay.
When you meet someone for the first time, you can say hello or hi.
Yes, you can also say, nice to meet you.
That's a very polite sentence.
You can also say, nice to meet you too.
Good point. Nice to meet you too is a good response.
Luca, where do people usually meet new people?
That's a good question. People meet new people at work, at school, or at events.
Yes, they can also meet new people at the gym or at a cafe.
Or even online.
That's true. Online meetings are very common now.
Let's imagine a situation. You are at a new job.
Okay.
You see a coworker you don't know.
What should you say?
You can say, hello, I'm Luca. I'm new here.
That's simple and clear.
The other person might say, nice to meet you, Luca. I'm Sarah.
Then you can say, nice to meet you, Sarah.
After introductions, it's good to ask simple questions.
Yes, questions help keep the conversation going.
For example, you can ask, how are you?
Or, how was your day going?
Those are very common questions.
Sometimes people answer, I'm good, thank you.
Yes. Or they say, I'm doing well.
You can reply, that's good to hear.
Or simply say, that's nice.
What if the conversation feels short?
Then you can ask another question.
Like what?
You can ask about work, hobbies, or the place you are in.
For example, do you work here long?
Yes. Or, what do you do here?
Luca, some people feel scared to ask questions.
That's true.
They worry the question is strange.
but simple questions are usually okay.
Yes, people like talking about themselves.
That's an important tip. Most people enjoy answering simple questions.
It makes them feel comfortable.
Let's talk about small talk.
Small talk is very important when meeting new people.
Yes, small talk means light, simple conversation.
Like talking about the weather.
Exactly.
You can say, "It's very hot today."
Or, the weather is nice today.
If you are in an office, you can talk about work.
Yes, you can say, it's a busy day today.
Or, "Work is very busy this week."
If you are in a class, you can talk about the lesson.
Like, "This lesson is interesting."
Or, this lesson is difficult.
Luca, what if someone doesn't talk much?
That's okay. Some people are quiet.
Yes, that doesn't mean they don't like you.
Exactly. Everyone is different.
Let's talk about body language.
Good idea.
When you meet someone new, a smile is important.
Yes, a smile makes you look friendly,
Eye contact is also important.
but not too much.
Right, just normal eye contact.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Luca. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Luca. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm new.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
Thank you. Everyone seems very nice.
That was simple and natural.
Yes, and very easy to follow.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Okay.
One mistake is thinking you must be perfect.
Yes, you don't need perfect English.
Clear and simple English is enough.
Another mistake is speaking too fast.
That's true.
It's okay to speak slowly.
Yes, speaking slowly helps both people.
It's also okay to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or, I didn't understand.
These are polite sentences.
Sarah, do you have a favorite phrase when meeting new people?
Yes, I like to say, "It's nice to meet you."
That's a great phrase.
It sounds polite and friendly.
I like to say, how is your day going?
That's a nice question.
Now let's talk about ending a conversation.
That's important too.
Yes, you can say, it was nice talking to you.
Or, "I hope to see you again."
These are friendly closing sentences.
If you are busy, you can say, "I have to go now."
Yes, or I need to get back to work.
That's polite and honest.
Before we finish, let's review today's lesson.
Good idea.
We talked about meeting new people.
We learned how to say hello and introduce ourselves.
We practiced simple questions.
We talked about small talk and body language.
And we learned that mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes.
When was the last time you met a new person?
And what did you say?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
It's great practice for you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We are very happy you joined us.
Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to Luca English channel for more English conversations.
We will see you in the next episode.
Have a great day.
Or a great night.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.